So today we will discuss one question. The question is, given an undirected graph, we need to count the number of connected components. So what is connected component? Let's take an example and see. Let's say we have a graph and this is our graph, like right here we can see that 4 is not connected to any node, right? So we will say that the number of connected component in of this graph is 2. So what is the definition of connected component is that in a subgraph, if we take any two vertex, there is a path exists between any two vertex. So for example, here we can see that from 0 to 3 there is a path between 0 to 3. If we take any other pair, let's say 1 and 2, we can see that there is a path between 1 and 2. Let's say there is one more node, let's say 5, right? And let's say 5 is also connected with the 2. So we can say that uh, still the number of connected component is 2, because this is one connected component. This whole graph, this whole subgraph is one connected component, and this is another connected component. So if we add 5, then we can see that still we can, if we take any pair, let's say we take 0 comma 5, still we are able to go to 5. How? From 0 to 2, then 2 to 5. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's remove this component now. Yeah, so how many connected components are there in the graph? Now the number of connected component in this graph is 3. The first one is 0 1 3 2, second graph is 4, and third graph is 5. Let's say we delete this edge also. So how many connected component in this graph? So number of connected component in this graph is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, right? So let's write a code for this. So what will be the approach for this problem is, we will do simple DFS search, which we have done in the last tutorial, and we just need to iterate over all the vertex. So let's write the code for this graph only. So I've already written the code for DFS. Let's use the code. So what change we need to do is, we don't need the source node, right? We will iterate over all the nodes. So we will remove this source node, and we will declare one count variable 0, and for I in range self dot v, we will say if visited of I equal to false, we will call this function, right? And yeah, and we will increment our count, right? And we will finally return our count. So yeah, let's build this graph only. So for building this graph, we just need to connect one edge, and the edge between 0 comma 2, right? So let's create an edge between 0 comma 2, and that's it. So yeah, name error. What is the error? Source. Okay, we need to pass a visited. Okay. 0 comma 2 and done. Okay, so here we can see that the number of connected component is 5. So let's see that. Okay, so this is one connected component, this is another 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So let's take one more example, and you can see that this is printing the, like, 0 comma 2 is one connected component. Okay, let's delete this print statement. Actually this is printing the df spot. Okay, so let's take one more example, and okay, so let's take this graph. So in this graph, the number of connected component is 2. So let's run this code. So 0 comma 1 is one edge, 0 comma 2 is another edge, and that's it. So yeah, we are getting 4. Why? Because okay, here we have passed 6, right? We need to pass number of vertex as 4. So let's see, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, then minus 1, minus 1. Yes, so number of connected component is 2, right? I hope you like this video. Thank you.